Today I'd like to talk to you about how to properly use and maintain a high limb chainsaw. The next step in getting your 2-cycle engine to start is to set the choke to the on or closed position. What the choke does is restricts the amount of air going through the carburetor in order to help the engine start. So next step, close the choke or set the choke to the on position. Okay, so we have our machine set to the on position. We have the choke on or closed. Next, we're going to prime the carburetor using this primer bulb. Now, depending upon how long it's been since you last used it, that primer bulb may be dry or empty. Typically, 6 full depressions of the primer bulb should be sufficient, but again, if the primer bulb were empty or dry, it may take a little more. But simply just press in the rubber bulb 6 times, and that should be sufficiently primed.